Christmas, everyone! From our family to yours. Merry Christmas! Kainan na!
5-pound dish.
Kainan na po! Wow! Alright mga kaibigan, let's eat! Let's eat, eat. So ayan po mga kaibigan, luto na po ang ating overload lasagna. Ayan, 2.5 kilos ng giniling at 2.5 kilo ng cheese. Oh, grabe siya mga kaibigan, overload. And meron din po tayo ditong 2.5 kilo ng boneless ham. Then I top with caramelized pineapple with butter, honey, brown sugar, and a little bit of soy sauce. Then we bake that for 15 minutes and we broil for 10 minutes. Yum! Ayan po. Then we also have dessert here. This is good enough food for 2 person mga kaibigan. No? So I'm running out of time. That's why I made only 2 dish. No? So this cake here, we have a big slice of this cake here. This is huge slice here. So this cake is leftover from our birthday. No? Happy and nice birthday. We have champagne here. Ayan. Po mga kaibigan is ang ating ham, boneless ham with caramelized pineapple, butter, honey, brown sugar, and a little bit of soy sauce. Ayan po, kasarap. Kasarap. Grabe siya. Ang ating boneless ham, 2.5 kilo with caramelized pineapple. Next, let's get our lasagna. Our lasagna mga kaibigan. Abe na ito mga kaibigan. This is it, pancit. Oh my gosh. Overload lasagna. Okay, this is it, pancit mga kaibigan. The finale. Ayan po. Charan charan. Oh my goodness. Ang ating overload lasagna. Lagay natin dito mga kaibigan para lang hindi magkalat. Ayan. Ito na po mga kaibigan ang ating loaded lasagna. So heavy. My gosh. Overflow. Look at that. Kaya naman, kainan na. Sweet. Boneless ham, no? Kasi may buto po yung ibang ham dito. Top with caramelized pineapple with honey, soy sauce, butter, and brown sugar. Then, i-bake po natin to ng 20 minutes and seared for 5 to 7 minutes. Napakasarap mga kaibigan. Ito na po. Ay, bigat. Grabe. Then, ito naman yung ating loaded lasagna. Grabe ang bigat mga kaibigan. Loaded siya. Whew. My God. 2.5 kilos of meat. 1/4 Italian sausage. And, what do you call this? 2.5 pounds or 2.5 kilo na cheese. 3 or 4 klase, 4 kinds of cheese. My goodness mga kaibigan. Kaya, ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Nabay kainan na yan. Let's eat mga kaibigan, no? Time check, almost 11 p.m. So, perfect for Christmas Eve dinner. Oh my goodness! This is super heavy mga kaibigan. Oh, kaloka. You know. Kaya naman, let's eat mga kaibigan. Kainan na. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yung dessert natin mga kaibigan, our leftover birthday cake. So, frozen cake po ito. So, masarap mga kaibigan. Frozen siya. Malabig. Okay? Ayan po. And we have champagne here.
This is what you said. This is all we can have? Holy cow, this is a lot.
No time for barbecue.
Okay. Well, I'm perfectly happy with what we have. Holy cow, this is incredible.
Merry Christmas, everyone! From our family to yours. Merry Christmas! Kainan na! Kaya na po.
With the heavy
Alright mga
stuff.
kaibigan, let's eat! Let's eat!
Wow. That is just a little
Ayan
slice
na.
of. This is. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. It's at least. Well, I guess the Pyrex is heavy too, but so together it's probably 15 pounds.
No, it's massive amount of meat.
It's 5 pounds of meat. It's got a couple pounds of cheese. Pyrex is a couple pounds, but it feels like it's
The meat
15.
is 5 pounds. Cheese is 1, 2. 2 and a half.
I'm gonna get my weight scale.
2 and a half kilo. 1. 2 kilos of cheese.
I'm gonna weigh myself and then weigh myself holding this. Holy cow.
Alright mga kaibigan, let's eat na. Oh,
Oh, and
we also have
and,
dessert.
like, we can do this.
And champagne.
Okay. Wow, we've been waiting all day for this. This is fantastic. Thanks for all your work on it. Actually, I've been waiting. You've been working, so
I've been
Just one of us.
waiting for you.
this is one of us waiting. I think we
Ayan, hello mga kaibigan. Kagising lang po natin mga kaibigan. Grabe, maghapon po tayong tulog. Pero ginising tayo ng ating kagutuman. Ayan, mabuti na lang po at marami tayong tira from last night mga kaibigan, no? Kunti lang ang nakain namin. Ayan, ito yung tira ko dito party. Then dito naman si Habi. Ayan, binalik ko lang dyan. Pero halos dito mga kaibigan, hindi pa yan nabawasan. Yung ating overload lasagna. Ayan po. Kaya naman kainan naman tayo mga kaibigan ng ating mga tira-tira. Ito naman yung ating ham with caramelized pineapple, no? Na may brown sugar, butter, honey, and a little bit of soy sauce, no? Napakasarap po niyan mga kaibigan. At ito na nga yung ating lasagna. Ayan. Init na lang po tayo mga kaibigan. Ito po ang nakaganda. Ayan, kasarap talaga, oh. Ayan, mga kaibigan, oh. Diba? Sarap. Grabe. Ang kapal. Init na lang natin to mga kaibigan. Ham. Napakasarap po ng ating ham, mga kaibigan. Ang sarap ng ating lasagna. Ayan naman kainan na. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!